Close the gates!
Get off the bus!
Keep it up, boys. We don't have all day. Move your asses inside.
Move it, maggots. Get inside.
Hey, are you okay?
What do you want?
Stay strong.
You think I'm weak? You think I'm a pussy, huh? Well, you're wrong if you do, because I fuck people up. I fuck them up real good. Got that?
Yeah, I'm sure you do. Good luck.
It's way too crazy in this joint.
Oh my God, man, this place is bad. It's really, really bad. I don't know. I can't survive in here. I don't belong in here, man.
I'm a dead man.
What is it you know about this place?
It's bad news, man. Bad fucking news.
Really? You serious?
Worst mistake of my life getting my ass chucked in here. The worst mistake.
Hey, what's up with you?
Having the best day of my life,
You're up.
man.
Get in there.
I'm telling you, best day ever.
Why's that?
Well, I got beat up, all my shit got stolen, and my parole got denied.
Sucks to be you. Makes my day look great.
Man, thanks for your support, asshole.
Anytime.
Arms up. Come here
Stand
now.
still. You're clear.
Hey, guard.
Get undressed.
Sure, take all the time you need. Fucking asshole.
Finally, there we go. Move along.
You two, break it up, now.
Harvey sends his regards.
Fuck you and him.
My name is Williams,
And this is my prison. Any questions?
Yeah. When are we allowed visitors in here?
Any other questions? Good. Welcome to your new home. We're done here.
You heard him, man. Move out. We don't have all day. Go, 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 go!
Hey, Leo.
So,
Looks like you got yourself a new neighbor.
who is it?
I don't know, man. Some white guy.
Thanks for the update.
Yeah, no problem.
Let's go.
At your floor.
Inside.
Hey, relax.
Keep going, butt cheeks.
I said do it. Go.
Hey, take it easy, man. What's wrong with you?
Close up cell 48.
Let's go. Get in your cell. Get dressed. Close up 49. Took you long enough.
Hey, Leo,
What?
someone wants to talk to you.
Yeah? Who?
I don't know, man. He's over there. That's all I know.
What the hell are these guys up to?
One.
Hey! Let me go!
There you are. It's time to play.
What the fuck do you want?
It's not about what I want. It's about what Harvey wants.
That piece of shit better be happy he's on the outside.
He might be on the outside, but he still pays me good, huh? Fact is, he pays me really good to kill you. And I don't really like you. So it's a win-win situation for me. Yeah.
Get in there, new fish!
Hey, what the hell? What are you doing?
Go, Dragomir! Kill him!
Huh?
Take him down!
You idiot. Come on, motherfucker!